Bike check. This is my 2017 Trek Fuel EX8. The frame is alpha platinum aluminum in the 23-inch or 58.5 centimeter size. Designated an all-mountain bike, it's got 130 millimeters of travel, front and rear. Forks are by Fox. They're the Rhythm 34. The shock is also Fox, EVOL reactive. Drivetrain is Shimano Diore XT with an 11-speed M8000 rear derailleur with Diore XT 1142 cassette. Crank and chainrings are Diore XT 3626. Direct mount front derailleur. Wheels are by Bone Treasure. They're the Duster Elite 29-inch. Front is Boost 110, rear is Boost 148. Tires are by Bone Treasure. XR Team 2.6-inch rear, 2.4-inch front. They're tubeless, running Orange Seal sealant. Brakes are Shimano Diore XT hydraulic disc with 180 millimeter rotors. The head angle is 67.7 degrees. The dropper post is by KS. It's the E30 with 120 millimeters of travel. Weight 15.4 kilograms or 34 pounds. And now, the all-important free hub sound.